This is the Lenovo ThinkPlus BT speaker TS13. Let's check it out together. Revamp your nightstand and your desktop with this Lenovo ThinkPlus BT speaker TS13 that comes with 3 buttons, a home key button that acts as a play button and also a pause button, the 2 volume button that also sets the time of the BT speaker. It comes with a sleek LED display showing current time. Get it on the Kilimall app going for only 1,599 Kenyan shillings. Use the product code to search for it on the Kilimall app or website and place your order now.